guys, Owen here, and today we're back on our Jared vlog. So, we're going to save that creepy monster again and take Jared for a walk. So, yeah, let's get straight into it. So, we're just walking Jed. Well, come here. Sorry, let's get a good shot of him. Here he is. So, yeah, go on, check out, what's your name, Tori?
Half-row 699. Half-row, H-A-F-R-O.
Half-row 699. Go and check it out. It's a really good channel. Go and subscribe to him.
You say it properly. It's half. You said half.
Right, so make sure you go and check it out.
Just save it.
He made it like
That's what it is.
5 minutes ago. But it's going to be a really good channel. I can feel it coming. So go and check it out. Go subscribe. Right. So we're just walking up now. So hurry up. So we're walking up. Whoa, but that is new channel full. Right. So Gibbsy Exotic is going to be doing a crossbar challenge, and I'm going to be doing
So it. See.
I'm going to be doing what am I doing? I'm doing a 2v2 after this, but we're going to go and see if the man's there, so let's do this. So we're with the main man, Toy. It's a special occasion, lads. So,
What's your name again? Tori. Half-row. Half-row. You know, like, look at this boy's fro. You know, half-row.
half-row. Right,
Is
so let's go. So let's do this. Right, so we're just walking up that pitch with Edward. Right, and
see here. Sup. You know, I got.
and vlogging below. I know. So with Connell, let's go see if that man's there. He probably is. He has a vicious dog like the last time. So it, but we have Jaward, and he's worse. He'll buy something.
Jaward.
Yeah, boys. So, yeah,
We're nearly at the pitch, like.
yeah, we're going up that pitch.
Don't
But
forget to check out. It's 48C.
my vlog, that boys. Sorry. Right, so we're going to take Jared for a walk, see if the man's there. Oh yeah, tell them about the man.
You're this man. I don't really know about him. You tell him about it.
Wait, 2 seconds.
The man's literally standing
I didn't even see.
Look. We're going to check.
Oh, Jeff.
Right, sorry about the lighting, but the man actually just walked around the corner for some reason, so he told me on the vlog.
There's the DYFC pitch, boys. Over there. Well, that's the big pitch where we play matches. But we're going up this small pitch where we're training. So yeah, let's flip and do this. Right, so we're just walking up. We've seen the man, but who cares?
He just walked around the corner. He was wearing like a navy polo shirt and then like these really old grandma jeans. Not even joking. I'm not lying. Like,
Did he have his dog? No.
yeah, he has dog.
I didn't even see him. I was still walking in the corner with Jabber because he's so. But like, we're bringing the football up because we're going to try playing the pitch. And yeah, so we'll hope that we see him so we can get a shot of him, but we might not see him. But anyway, right, so we're just going through this thing. Come on, Connor.
Flip and send it.
I'm still going to send it. Right.
I'm saying stop it.
I don't even know what he's doing with his life. But yes, see ya. Wait. What?
He's not here, he's way up there.
So we just walk around the corner.
He wears these glasses as well, like he looks like an apple.
Lads, can you see him? Can you see him? He's come back in. Flip, go! Get in that pitch. Get in that pitch and lock it. Sorry, Jed. I know. If we lock ourselves in, we're not getting out, true.
It's still, we're going to stick nothing here.
Yeah, we're still going to do get him off the street, Dad. We're going to let him off the street.
Can you video me?
Lads, we're just setting him off his feet.
He's off his lead.
He's off his feet. Set him there.
Right, so now we're just going to arrange the nets and then we'll get back to you.
Oh, wait, so we're just walking back from the pitch. So
Wait,
flip and go! Oh, she go! Go! Corey, give me the football better dribbling. I know I'm not, but shit, I'm. Jaward, hurry up. Jaward, here. Do you hear all that? I say we stay for the vlog.
We'll get back down home. Oh, yes, he's at the goal. Go!
No. Boy. Jaward, hurry up. You're going to get beat for once. My God. Lads, I think I see him. We need to go. He's right down there. My God. Yeah.
Oh, yes, he's coming on the other way.
Oh my God! That's cool. We didn't even do anything. We're just calling the right football. Do you have a problem? Actually, headbutt you.
We're at the pig thing. You don't need chases.
I know. Just having fun. He won't come down this far.
Jackie. Oh, say at the him who's just walking towards us. Come on, Daddy.
You won't come down this far. Yeah, watch it. So we're walking back down.
Did anyone see that?
He's making him. So we're just walking back down because we know he's not going to come. You know, just jinx it because he's walking. He's walking. But it's okay because we're faster. Mine's only 1%. So can I use your charge? Mine's only...
No, actually, for real, come back out.
Yeah.
Every time,
But
like in the street, when
sort of
everyone's
walking.
coming back out, like say it's Leon.
I'm not like that. Sort of walking back down. Lads, he's coming. Wait, he's watching us. He's watching us. He's watching us to see if we'll go down. Lads, he's running. Go, go, go. Ashley, go. Gibbsy, go, go. He's coming.
Hurry up, he's got you.
Just worry. He's gonna come and take you away, Jaward.
Oh, what? Oh, I got it. Oh, shit.
Hey, come on, lads. Lads, I don't think he's running anymore. I think he just tried to scare us away.
Oh my God, he's actually running without me forcing him.
So anyway, I think that's the video over. Connor, is that the video over? Well, anyway, that's the video over. That's the video over because like he's not chasing us anymore. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. So yeah, go and check out one more time. Gibby Exotic and
I'll set half row. I'll put it up on the.
It'll be on
the screen. No.